Hi. Are you in Zambia and want to start a business but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you 20 ways to start a business in Zambia with easy stories, and number 18 of the business ideas is very important, and please subscribe to this channel. 1. Start a vegetable farm. Mary had a small piece of land. She planted tomatoes and started selling them. Now she runs her own farm. 2. Open a mobile money booth. James saved money and got permission to open an Airtel money booth in his area. 3. Start a home salon. Chipo started doing hair for free at home. Then she bought a mirror, a chair, and turned her room into a salon. 4. Start poultry farming. Mr. Bonda built a small chicken house and bought 10 chicks. Now he sells eggs to his neighbors. 5. Open a phone repair business. Peter learned how to fix phones from YouTube. He bought tools and opened a small repair shop. 6. Start a baking business. Ruth loved baking. She started selling cupcakes to friends, then to schools and offices. 7. Start a barber shop. Daniel borrowed clippers and cut his friend's hair. He saved and opened a small barber shop. 8. Start a car wash. Mamba and his brother cleaned cars with buckets. They later added soap and hired helpers. 9. Open a small restaurant. Nshima and Beans. Auntie Grace cooked lunch for workers. People loved it. She opened a small roadside restaurant. 10. Sell clothes, thrift or salala. Linda bought second-hand clothes and sold them outside her house. She now has a stall. 11. Start a delivery business. Kelvin used his bicycle to deliver groceries for people. Now he has a motorbike. 12. Open a grocery kiosk. Esther built a small stand with wood and started selling sugar, salt, and airtime. 13. Start a tutoring business. Isaac was good at math. He started teaching kids after school. Now parents pay him weekly. 14. Start a cleaning service. Bwalia and her friend cleaned houses on weekends. They now clean offices too. 15. Open a photography business. David used his phone to take photos at birthdays. Now he owns a camera and charges for shoots. 16. Start a farming input shop. Mr. Tembo noticed farmers travel far for seeds. He opened a shop selling seeds and fertilizer. 17. Start a welding business. Brian learned welding from his uncle. He now makes doors and window frames. 18. Start a water refill business. Martha saw people buying expensive bottled water. She opened a water refill station with clean tanks. 19. Open a mobile car mechanic service. Tawanda fixed cars in his backyard. Now he visits customers and fixes cars at their homes. 20. Start an internet cafe. Grace had a computer. She added printing and internet, and now students come every day. Which business idea do you like? Comment below and subscribe for more simple tips. Start small, grow big.